So the new topic is what about these spheres. Can anyone explain me what is spheres? Anyone? Okay. No answer from your side. You all have seen that.
Circle.
Sorry.
Circle. Circular shape.
Circular shape. Okay. See, circular shape. If we talk about the circular shape, that football is also a circular shape. So when we can say that this is a sphere or not, you all have
Sir, we
seen
can say half part of any circle.
part of the answer.
Any round object.
Okay, round object. See, round object you all have so many things but that is what hollow from inside. Very simple. Just listen carefully. The sphere, very simple. Iron ball. You'll have seen that iron ball, shot put.
Yes, sir.
You'll have seen that is what totally packed inside. What that one is what totally packed. So such kind of thing is what known as what sphere. That is what inside no space actually. That is what fully packed. That one is not hollow. Understood? So that one is known as what sphere. Okay. If we talk about this sphere, again I will come to the question. That is what this is: open object or closed object? Anyone? This is what: open object or closed object?
Closed object.
Closed object. I told you all, when you will get an open object, how many formula you will get?
3 formulas.
3 formulas. So when we have closed object, we get only 2 formulas. There's no any kind of curved surface area or total surface area. Only surface area is there. When you will get a closed object, you all have a what? Only one thing. That one is known as surface area. That one is what? Known as surface area. No curved surface area, no total surface area. Only what? Surface area. Understood what I'm saying? Only surface area you will get.
Yes, sir.
Clear? One is volume, second is surface area. One is volume, second is surface area. Only these two kind of things you will get. Okay. If we talk about the surface area of the sphere, just keep in mind that formula is what? 4 pi r square. What they have given? 4 pi r square. Okay. 4 pi r square. If I want to explain this one, so pi r square is what actually? What is pi r square?
22
Yeah.
22/7.
Pi r square is actually a what? Area of circle. That is what? Area of circle. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Correct. So that formula is 4 times area of circle actually. Yes or no? That formula is what? 4 times area of circle actually. See, right now, just take the formula as it is, because we are not going to prove this as I have given proof for the earlier object. Okay, I'm not going to give proof of this. In a higher standard, when you will learn derivative or integration, in that segment, you will get the formula derivation of the what? Sphere and hemisphere. Understood? The sphere related, how you will get the formula for the volume, how you will get the formula for the surface area. But for your understanding, I can say that how you can keep in your mind that this is what? Area formula, area of circle. This is circle. If you will slice it or cut it, what you will get? A disc-like structure, right? A disc-like structure that will start from point and that will goes on increasing, Yes or no? Yes or no? And at the end, again, it will what? Come to
Yes.
the 0 point. when you will cut this, very simple, you will get disc like structure. You'll have seen that CD disc. CD
Yes.
drive, you will have seen it, right? So
Yes, sir.
same thing you will get what? When you will slice it, you will get. Got it? So how you can keep in mind that pi r square is what? Area of circle. And that circle is what? From 0 to again come to the what? 0. See this. From 0 point you will say that, let's say this is what a minute, the smallest circle. And at this place again you will get a smallest circle. Or if you want to keep in your mind, so you can just take a 4 direction. Understood how 4 will come? Just keep a 4 direction in your mind. So you will get. Understood? One is this side, one is right side, one is upside, one is downside. Understood? In this way you can keep in your mind. If I can give you the explanation of this, surely I will give. Okay. So if that will be easy for you to understand, I will provide you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So just keep in mind, surface area of sphere is what? 4 pi r
4
square.
pi r square.
Okay. If we talk about the volume, volume is the only surface area they have given, no volume. Okay. Yes, volume is at this place. See, volume of sphere. Volume of sphere is what? What they have written? See this. Volume of sphere
4/3 pi r square
4 by
cube
3 pi r
pi r cube.
cube. So just keep in mind this one. Clear? So this is what about the sphere. If we go for the hemisphere, hemisphere is what? Half of the sphere actually. Hemisphere is what? Half of the sphere. So half of the sphere, that is what? Open object or closed object?
Open object.
Open object. So
Open
now
object.
now we get what? How many formulas? 3 formulas.
3 formula.
One is what? Curve surface area, second is total surface area, and third is what? Volume. As we have what? In a sphere, we have only surface area and volume. No curve, no total. Only surface area and volume in a sphere. In hemisphere, what we get? In hemisphere, we get the curve surface area. That is, curve surface area is what? Surface area of sphere, half of that.
2 pi r square.
2 pi r square. But when we talk about the total surface area, just try to understand. This is what? Curve is also a circular portion. Yes or no? This curve surface area is 2 pi r square. Understood? This curve surface area is 2 pi r square. Okay, and the upper circular area, that is what? Pi r square. So when we add these two, that becomes 3 pi r square. So keep in mind, in your exam, they are asking the question also that total surface area of hemisphere. And the students are making mistakes. Why? Because they are using 2 pi r square for the total surface area of hemisphere. Okay, so just set in your mind that total surface area is actually the curved surface area plus what? The upper circular area. Got it? The upper circular area addition with the curved surface area of the what? Hemisphere. That become what? Your total surface area of hemisphere. I hope this one is clear. Is it clear? For the hemisphere, you have to keep in your mind 3 formulas. One is curve, second is total, third is volume. One is curve, second is total, third is volume. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Or any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Now, when we go for the volume formula, see what we have: volume of sphere.
Sir, Manish sir, 1 minute. Manish
Yeah, ma'am.
sir. Yeah, good morning, all
Good
the
morning, ma'am.
students. Sir,
Yes, sir.
So just keep in your mind when we talk about the what? Surface area of sphere, that is 4 pi r square. Volume of sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Whenever you will get the volume, just keep in mind what we are writing unit for the volume. That is what? Meter cube, centimeter cube, right? That cube is what? That one is representing. We are multiplying 3 quantities actually. So whenever you will get volume, just keep in mind See, whatever quantity you are using in the formula, that should be what three things or three times the same thing. So you will get the what says formula of volume of the volume formula of the what sphere. Volume formula of the sphere is what 4 upon 3 pi r cube. When we talk about the hemisphere, so just keep in mind hemisphere curve surface area is 2 pi r square. Total surface area is 3 pi r square. Okay. Hemisphere curve surface area is 2 pi r square. Total surface area is 3 pi r square. And the volume is what? Half of the volume of the sphere, that is what? 2 by 3 pi r cube.
Square.
The same thing, you will get what? Pi r cube. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? The formula is clear to you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now we will start solving the question. If you want, we can discuss the solved example. For example, first one, so this is what they have given. They have given, find the volume of the sphere having radius 21. So we need volume of the sphere. Formula is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Volume of sphere formula is what? 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Volume of sphere formula is what? 4 upon 3 pi r cube. They have given the radius. See, in the formula, we know that pi value. That is what 22 by 7 they have given in the question. If they have not given, then we can use what pi value as a 22 by 7. Okay. After that, they have given radius. So we need only radius that is unknown in this formula. So is there any value for the radius? Yes, they have given radius value. That is what 21 centimeter. So what we will do, simply we will substitute in place of r, that is 21 centimeter. So when I will keep 21 centimeter in place of r, that is what r cube. That means what 21 into 21 into 21. So when you will solve this, you will get the final answer as what 38808 cubic centimeter. See why they have written cubic. Sometimes you will get CM. So don't get confused, meaning is same. Sometimes you will get centimeter cube in this way also. So whatever they have written, either in this form or in this form, very simple. That is what? Nothing but cubic unit. That is what volume unit. Understood? We go for the second example. What they have given. Find the radius of a what sphere whose volume is 113040 cubic centimeter. 113040 cubic centimeter they have given. Find the radius of the sphere. So if we talk about the radius of the sphere, say this volume of the sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube we have. So they have given the volume value. So we will substitute in place of volume. That is what 113040. Each and everything is known except r. And we need what value of r. It's in the question they have given, find the radius. So radius is what r. So r is as it is. Everything we will take to the left hand side. And when we will solve this, at the end what we get, r cube is equal to what 900 into 3. So r cube is what 2700, and at the end 27 cube root is what? Cube root of 27 is 3. So 27,000. So 13 to 30 into 30, you will get 27,000. So r value become what? 30 centimeter. So keep in mind, whenever you will find the quantity, then you have to write only unit. Whenever you will find area, you have to write unit square. When you will find volume, you have to write unit cube. Set in your mind, when we have to find quantity, any quantity, right? Radius, height, and all. So what we get as a unit, like centimeter or meter, that unit itself, not unit square. But when we go for the next thing, that is what area. Area always you will get what in terms of unit square, and the volume in terms of cubic unit or unit cube. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
In the third question, what they have given is this. Find the volume of the sphere whose surface area is 314 square centimeter. Find the volume of the sphere whose surface area is 314 square centimeter. Take pi value 3.14. So they have given pi value, then you have to use that one only, 3.14. You can't use 22 by 7. Because if you will use 22 by 7, there is a what? Change in the answer. You will get what? There is change in the what? Answer. You will find that there is what? Some change in the answer. In the decimal places. Why? Because when we are taking 3.14, so pi value is not ending at 4. It has what? Unlimited number after the decimal. That is what infinite number they have. Pi value is what? 3.14. This one will what goes on continuous.
Can you explain some again?
Yeah, fine, no issues. So what I'm saying, you all have seen that in 8th standard, pi value, right? In a statistics chapter, you all have seen that pi value, they have given 50 digit, 50 decimal digit they have what given in a pi value. Okay. See, in the question they have given, find the volume of the sphere whose surface area is 314 square centimeter and pi value take 3.14. Find the volume of the sphere whose surface area is given. So they have given the surface area. What we did in volume, pi r, see this, volume formula is 4/3 pi r cube. If we get radius value, simply we can find the volume of the sphere, yes or no? If we get the radius value, we can find the what volume of the sphere, yes or no?
Yes.
Right? So
Yes,
how
sir.
we get the radius? In the question, they have not given the radius, but they have given the surface area. So we will use the surface area formula. We will solve it. We'll substitute the value of surface area, that is 314. For as it is, pi value is 3.14 into r square. When we take each and every term to the left hand side, excepting what, say this, except r, we will take what each and every term to the left hand side. So what we get, say this, 314, 3.14 can cancel 314. So what we have cancelled that one by what, 4 times. And when we divide 100, when we divide 100, say this, by 4, say this, 314 will cancel 31400 in what, 100 times. And when we divide 4 and 100, so what we get, 25, and r square is 25, so r value is what, 5 centimeter. So now we have a radius value. So very simple, we will use that radius value at this place. You can see this. And each and everything except radius we have. That is pi value. 4/3 is what present in the formula. We will substitute as it is, and we will substitute what, 5 cube. 5 cube is what, 125. So when we solve this, when we take what multiplication of all the terms, so at the end you will get 5 to 3.33 cubic centimeter. This is your what, final answer. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Now we
sir.
will move to the next one. 9.3 we have. See the first question. I'm going to solve any one question. Which question you want? Answer.
Sir,
3.3.
third one. 3.5.
Not third one.
3.5. Okay. So I'm going to solve practice set 9.3 question number 1, third question. 9.3 question number 1, third question. They have given 3.5 centimeter. In the question, what they have given, see this. Find the surface area and volume of the sphere of the what following radii. One more thing they have given, pi value. This is what radius value. So I'm writing r is equal to this one, and pi value is 3.1. Okay, we have to find two things. One is find the surface area, and second is what, volume. So surface area
For you.
and the second one is volume. This is all about this sphere. This is all about this sphere. So very simple. If you can understand, just try to understand. This is thing that is given 3.5. Okay. This is the thing that given 3.5. That is what radius actually. Okay. For the solution purpose, we will simply use the formula surface area. What is formula for the surface area?
4 pi r square.
4 pi r square. So we will write 4 pi r square, correct? Now we will substitute the value. 4 is as it is. Pi value is 3.14. Into radius. If we talk about the radius, that is how much they are given? 3.5. I'm giving you one idea. Just try to understand. This is what square, right? So that square is nothing but what? So this 3.5 into 3.5, right? Square is nothing but what? What we can write? 3.5 into 3.5. So in the next line, I'm writing 4 into. How we can solve such kind of decimal numbers? How we can calculate in easy manner? Just try to understand. If I don't want to make any mistakes in my calculations, what I will do, see this. That 4, I can write 2 into 2. I will write 2 into 2. Is there any problem? 2 into 3.5 is how much? 2 into 3.5 is how much? 7? Double of 3.5 is 7, right? Again double of 3.5. 7. And 7 sevens is how much?
49.
49. So it is very easy. It is very easy to calculate 49 into 3.14. Anyone can do the multiplication of 3.14 into 49. And whatever answer you will get from right side, you have to what? Keep decimal after 2 digits. So multiply this and give me the answer.
Sir, 153.86.
153.86. One question I have for you all. Is there anyone, those who are facing problem in multiplication of decimal numbers?
No, sir.
If anyone is there, please you can ask. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Don't feel shy, because in 9th standard if you will feel shy, so you will face very much problem in 10th standard.
Yes, sir.
So anyone facing problem for the multiplication of decimal?
No, sir.
Virendra, you have a problem with the
Yes,
decimal?
sir.
Okay. Fine. For yourself, serious, what we have to do? Just forget that decimal. Take it as a 314 and 49 downside. You know the multiplication or you don't know the multiplication also?
Yes. Yes, sir. No.
Okay. So 9 fours are how much?
36.
36. So what I will write at this, please?
Six.
And 3 carry forward. So 9 ones are 9 and 3,
9,
12.
12,
1 forward here. 9 threes are
28,
27 and 1
27.
28. Total is 28.
28,
4 fours are 16. Look, see, first letter you have, see, in front of first number you have to write 0. In the second number 4 fours are 16, you have to write 16. Right. 1 carry forward. So now just remove the previous thing.
10.
1 carry forward. So 4 ones are 4 and 1 5
5.
and 4 threes are 12. So in this way you have to do. And when you will add 6, 6 into is 8,
8.
8 and 5 is 3, 13,
3.
right?
1.
13, 8 and 5 is 13, correct? Am I
5.
correct? So 1 is carry forward, 2 and 2 4 and 1 5
5.
and 1. Now this is your what multiplication, but in the question 3.14 was there. So after 2 digit there was what decimal. So we will keep after 2 digit decimal. So that become 153.86. Understood? Is it clear? Yes. Next
Yes,
is
sir.
what
Yes,
they have
sir.
given about the volume. Volume. If we talk about the volume, just keep in mind volume formula is what 4 upon 3 pi r cube. We will substitute the value. That is what 4 as it is, 3 as it is. Pi value is 22 by 7 into radius is how much they have? 3.5. So can I write 3 times at this place only? Got the idea why I'm writing 3 times at this place?
Yes, sir.
Because there is a word cube they have written. They have written cube, so I have written 3 times. See, in a table of 735 is coming. How many times?
0.5.
5.
5 times. But we have a decimal after one digit, so we will write 0.5 at this place. Is it clear? Is there anything else that we can calculate? Okay, 4 into 35 into 35, that become what? 49, no? 4 into 35 into 35, that become what? 49? Yes or no? What we have written? See
Yes.
this, 4 into 35 into 35, we have written 49. So we get 49 for the entire thing. Next to that we have, see this, 22 into 0.5 become how much? 11. 22 into 0.5 is how much? Half of 22 is how much?
11.
Yes or no?
11. 11.
And denominator we
11.
have 3. We know the product of the 11. How we can multiply the number with the 11? So 9 as it is, 9 and 4 is 13. 3 as it is, 1 carry forward, 4 and 1 5. Divided by 3. Now divide by 3. 5, 3, 9, divide by 3. 3 ones are, 3 sevens are. Now next is what? 29, right? 3 nines are. 2 forward, carry forward, 3 6 are. 3 6 are. And so on you will get, and that is what? Centimeter cube. Is it correct answer? Check in your textbook.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
just take 1
Yes.
minute and write it fast. Just take 1 minute and write it fast. I'm representing on your screen the surface area and volume. Then we will move to the next question.
Done, sir.
The lower section.
Sir, done.
Good. Anyone remaining to write?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Now,
No, sir.
next question, see what they have given. If the radius of a solid hemisphere is 5 centimeter, then find its curved surface area and total surface area. See the second question. They have given hemisphere. Hemisphere means in this way. They have given radius of the hemisphere, that is 5 centimeter. They have given pi value, that is 3.14. We have to find what we have to find? One is curve surface area. Curve surface area I'm writing. CSA I'm writing. That will be fine, CSA. If I will write CSA. And the second one is total
Yes, sir.
surface area, so TSA. So these are the two things that we want to find. Okay. So for the solution, what we will write? See this. The first one is what? Curve surface area. Curve surface area of hemisphere. This is what we are talking about, the hemisphere. So curve surface area of hemisphere is what? Nothing but the half of the surface area of the hemisphere.
2 pi r square.
That is 2 pi r square. Very good. So very simple. We can write the value, that is 2 as it is. Pi value is 3.14. And radius is 5 square. So I'm writing 2 times at this place only. 5 square. So because of that, I'm writing 2 times 5. Now, very simple. How we can calculate orally? That we will think. Okay, we will not going to calculate with the help of pen or pencil. Say this. 5 5s are 25. 25 2s are what? 50. So I got what? 50 into 3.14. Now that 0 will shift this decimal to the what? Right hand side. So that becomes 5 into 31.4. Yes or no? See how we can calculate orally. See, I'm giving you one idea. See, that 5, if I will keep as it is, 31, I can write 30 plus 1.4. Whatever I'm writing, that is for the calculation purpose. I'm explaining you all how you can quickly calculate. How you can quickly calculate the value. See, 31.4, it is what difficult to calculate orally, but 30 into 5 we can calculate, and 14 into 5 also. So 30 into 5 is what? 150 plus 14 5s are 7.0. That become 157 centimeter square. Check, is this the answer they have given in the textbook?
Yes, sir.
Understood the calculation what I have done? I'm not going to calculate. Okay, very simple. We will calculate orally. So just make your calculation as much simple as you can. Okay, so try to make your calculation easier. If we go for the next one, total surface area.
It
Yeah.
is 3.14 now. You have done 330.14.
If you have 31.4 rupees, so what I can say? 30 rupees plus 1.4 rupees, yes or no? See, why I have done this one? No need to write this one. See this. These two steps only for your purpose, that you can understand how I have calculated orally. You can write directly from this step to this one. Multiply 314 by what? 5 and write the answer. That's it. Yes or no? But I have written these two steps. Why? Because these are the things, that one is what coming in my mind, and that we am using to calculate the value. Understood? These are the things that we am doing in my mind to what? Calculate the value. Is it clear? Okay. If we go for the total surface area, we have formalized 3 pi r square. What we have? 3 pi r square. That is equal to 3 into 3.14 into radius is what? 5 into 5. And that is equal to 25 threes are what? See, 25, oh, this one is 25. And you can multiply this one. .42 into 25. Now it is easy. You can multiply 25 with 9.42. Now tell me the answer.
235.5.
Sorry,
Sir, 235.5.
235.5.
235.5. Like 50, you got 50 at the end because decimal is but after 2 digit. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah, one more thing, listen carefully. If you want to see the entire solution one more time, right now what I'm recording the lectures and I'm putting that lectures on this. This is my channel. Okay, to this. You have to write spelling in a proper manner. Maths, FUNDAA, double A. If you will write this spelling, then you will get my channel, even my videos. You can see my pictures also, you will get one on that, please. I've recorded so many videos for the 10th standard also. So I'm going to upload this video also. So if you want to revise it or want to see it again, then you can go on this channel, okay? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So till now everything is clear to you all, or any doubt?